Namaste, children. Life is a circle. The end of one journey is the beginning of the next. Can you think of the topic, children? Okay, see this picture. In this picture, what do you observe? All the objects are in the shape of a circle. So today our concept is based on circle. What is a circle? It is the set of all points with equal distance from a point. Parts of a circle. Here we are going to see the parts of a circle. Children, this is the circle. Now let us see the parts one by one. Okay. So first I am going to fix the part. This is your center. Okay. So the distance from the center to any point on the circle, whether it may be here or here. This one we call it as radius. So the distance from the center to any point on the circle is called as radius. Now second one. This is the line segment. The line segment whose ends, you see here this one, here there is one end and here is another end, whose end points lie on the circle is called as chord. Okay children, so the line segment whose ends lies on the circle is called as chord. The next part. Now here I am fixing another part. A, B. You see, this is also a chord. How? Because both the endpoints lie on the circle. And this is the longest chord and we used to call this as diameter. What is it? Diameter. So, what is a diameter? The chord which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. So diameter is the only chord passing through the center. Can you see this chord is passing through the center? No. Only diameter will pass through the center and it is called the longest chord. Now let us fix the last part. You see? Now these all parts formed a circle. And what is the distance around the circle? It is called as circumference. So we can define circumference as the length of the circle or distance around it. It is called as perimeter or circumference of a circle. Now you see here OA, OB, OC. There are three radius and we used to say the plural form. In plural form, that is radii. Okay, so OA is one radius and OB is another radius, OC is another radius. So all together three radii, OA, OB, OC. AB. AB is the diameter, otherwise we can say it as chord which is passing through the center. And DE. DE is the chord. Drawing of a circle. Now let us see how to draw a circle. Read the question. Draw a circle of any radius and mark its center, radius, diameter and chord. So you can take any radius. Okay, here is your own measurement. Here I am going to take 3 centimeter. Now you take the scale first. So this is your compass. Okay. And this point, tip of the compass, you have to keep it at 0 and this sketch pen I am going to measure up to 3 centimeter because my radius is 3 centimeter. So I am taking 3 centimeter. Okay. After taking the measurement, first you place a point. Okay. So this is the measurement of 3 centimeter. Now I am going to keep this tip at the center. So this is your center point and hold this tight. Okay, you have to hold this tight and you have to rotate the circle Okay children, now you got a circle. Now here this is your center. I am going to name it as O. You see 3 centimeter radius. Okay, 3 centimeter, and this I am going to keep it as A. Now here also I am going to draw. This is also 3. So 2 radius makes a diameter. So total diameter is 6 centimeter. And what is your chord? Chord is the distance from one point to the other point. Okay. Now let us mark the parts. Okay. Here I am going to keep it as B, C, D. Now what is your center? It is O. And what is your radii? Here there are 2 radii. What are the 2 radii? OA and OB. And what is your diameter? Diameter is AB. You can write AB or BA. Okay children. And what is your chord? That is CD. Now you have understood how to draw a circle and marking the points.
Relationship between radius and diameter.
Here we are going to see relationship between radius and diameter. So this is a circle and here I have marked the diameter by using the ribbon, and this point is called as the center. In between the center I have marked here the ribbon also. Okay. So now we will measure the diameter first. So we have to measure by starting from 0. Now you see children, what is the length of the diameter? It is 12 centimeter. Okay, diameter is 12 centimeter. Now I am going to write here it is 12 centimeter. Okay, and this part, this is the center. If you divide, what is the measurement? It is 6 centimeter. That is your radius, 6 centimeter. Now let me cut this part. Now you see, this is your radius. This 2 radius makes a diameter. So this is 6 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter. Together the diameter is 12 centimeter. So we can write the formula diameter as 2 into radius. So 2 radius makes a diameter. 2 into radius, otherwise you can write it as 2 into r, the short form of radius. And what will be your radius? Radius will be half of the diameter. That is, this is full length is diameter, and if you take half, it is said to be radius. So the formula for radius can be written as radius is equal to diameter by 2, or you can write as d by 2. That is, the short form of diameter is d.
Finding the radius and diameter.
Now let us see how to find out the diameter and radius by using the formula. Okay, now first question, find the diameter whose radius is 4 centimeter and half millimeter. So radius is given here. So first you write radius equal to 4 centimeter. And for diameter, we are going to find out the diameter. And what is the formula for diameter? 2 into r. That is equal to 2 into, what is your r? 4 centimeter. You have to write along with the unit. Now 2 4s are 8 centimeter. Now let's move to the second sum. Here your radius is half. Here the unit is millimeter. And you have to find out the diameter. Write the formula 2 into r. 2 into half millimeter. Since your radius is half, this 2 will get cancelled, and answer is 1 millimeter. Suppose if you are asked to find out the radius, what you have to do? Now let us see, read the question. Find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 8 centimeter and 16 millimeter. So here the diameter is given. So write D is equal to 8 centimeter. You have to find out the radius. What is the formula? D by 2. That is equal to 8 by 2. 8 divided by 2, what is the answer? It is 4 centimeter. So what is your radius? 4 centimeter. Now here the second sum, your diameter is 16 millimeter and here you have to find out the radius. Write the formula. And what is your diameter here? 16 divided by 2, that is 8 millimeter. 16 divided by 2 is 8 millimeter.
It's time to answer. First question, only one radius can be drawn to a circle. Is it correct? No, because we can draw many radius to a circle. Second question, radius is also a chord of the circle. Is it correct? No, radius is not a chord of the circle. Third question, diameter is also a chord of the circle. Yes, it is a chord because diameter has two end points and it is said to be the longest chord. Fourth one, radius of a circle is half of its diameter. Is it correct? Yes, radius of a circle is half of its diameter. Fifth question, all the chords of a circle are equal in length. Is it correct? No, because the chords of a circle are unequal in length. Last question, all the diameters of a circle are equal in length. Is it correct? Yes, since the diameter measures equal in length. Children, what do you learn from this circle? What goes around comes around. Keep your circle positive. For that, say good words, think good thoughts, do good deeds. Hope you have enjoyed this video.